Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will share you two important questions that can be asked in Viva also or in job interview also, that is related to biochemistry subject. First question is, if examiner will ask from you that which enzyme is more specific for liver or which enzyme is more specific to check liver damage, AST or ALT, what will be your answer? Then answer should be ALT is more specific. ALT, as you know, alanine transaminase. And they can ask also that aminotransferase enzymes, which enzyme in aminotransferase enzyme, which enzyme is more specific to liver. That time also your answer should be ALT or SGPT. And AST enzyme is also called as SGOT, and combined ALT and AST both enzymes are called aminotransferases. So why ALT is more specific to liver damage, for example for hepatitis, cirrhosis or Gilbert syndromes, like that liver damages in that type of condition, why SGPT or ALT is more specific to check? Because ALT is majorly produced by the liver and very minute quantity it is produced by the skeletal muscle and kidney, whereas AST is also not only produced by liver but also in the heart, skeletal muscle, kidney, brain and red blood cells. So if we will check only AST, we don't know that either the higher level of AST is related to liver damage or any heart problem or muscle problem. But if we will find ALT level is high, that means that sure there is a liver damage. That's why ALT level increase in the serum. So ALT level is more specific for liver damage. So this is the first question. ALT versus AST also are, as I told, this question can be asked that which enzyme more specific, that time your answer will be ALT. Next question is lipase versus amylase, means if there is pancreatitis, which enzyme is more specific to check? As lipase and amylase both enzymes are produced by the pancreas, but lipase levels are more specific to the pancreatitis as compared to amylase. Because why? Lipase level remain high for 12 days, and in chronic patient lipase level may be elevate, but we will find normal serum amylase level. So there are two reasons. First, if there is chronic pancreatitis or pancreatitis, lipase level will be high for more days, approximately 12 days, but amylase level may be found normal, or it will be high but soon it will come to normal. So if lipase and amylase, our question will be asked like that if pancreas secreting which enzymes, first answer should be lipase and amylase. And second question, if can be asked which enzyme is more specific to check pancreatitis, that time answer will be lipase. That lipase is more specific to amylase for two reasons. First reason, that lipase level remain high for 12 days, and second reason is that if in chronic pancreatitis usually caused by alcohol abuse, in that type of chronic pancreatitis, lipase level will be high but serum amylase level will be normal. So this is the second question. First question was related to liver and second question was related to pancreas. So these two type of questions can be asked in your interview, especially if you are going to take interview for biochemistry department, if you have to work in biochemistry department, or your biochemistry subject Viva is there in that type, or normal also, anytime these two questions are very important. And in MCQs also these two questions are very incoming, that which enzyme more specific to liver or which enzyme is more specific to pancreas. So I hope you understand that why ALT is more specific to liver and why lipase is more specific to pancreas. Soon I will meet with you with new questions or new lectures. Until that, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Keep watching my channel, keep supporting my channel. Thank you so much.